Hello, and welcome to Chateau. We are Bradley and Yves, an English-Belgian couple, who bought a chateau in the center of France. To restore and breathe new life in this lovely chateau and fulfill my late mum Yvette and our dream, creating a safe haven for people and animals in need. To help, recover, and find health and happiness again while staying at our chateau. It is a very big task fixing a chateau, and we have not yet even started on the grounds and forest. Follow us on our journey as we try to bring this dream to life.
Hello. He did his posh clothes on. We were supposed to be both posh, but I'm half ill, so I can't be.
You can't be asked.
Yeah. We back?
We're not dead yet.
We've been working very hard. More on windows, more on doors. There's so much work to do, and every 10-14 days we have to cut the grass, isn't it, Brad?
Yes, because with the amount of rain and sun we get here, it's absolutely ridiculous. two days after cutting the grass, you've already got all the fresh growth coming back through again.
Yeah. Kind of what happened to my voice.
A bit calmer.
Yeah, definitely instant calmer. And Mum would say definitely calmer, because she would not be happy. We're gonna take you there in a minute. We have our bridge, and I weeded 2 weeks ago, and 2 weeks later we had weeds like that through the stones. I know the stones needs to be reset again, but there were weeds like that. I said, what I'm gonna do, I use the weed molester thing, liquid.
The weed killer.
Yeah, the weed killer.
Roundup.
I know it's bad, but only for that, because on the front, you will see in a short video also today, between all the pebbles, I do that for 7 days. Just I don't want to use the weed killer, but for this I was so fed up, isn't it, Brad? And I did it, but instead of with a long pole spray, just with a hand spray. So what means I didn't use a mask. I got most of it in my gob, and straight away my throat was swelling up. How you call these things here? These glands?
Your lymph nodes.
Yeah, they were getting hard. Not from talking dirty to them, and and that's the result of my voice, isn't it, Brad?
Right, it's getting better slowly.
Yes, but it's over now. Actually, tomorrow it's going to be a week, but it took a while, and we had a lot to do because we had somebody from another YouTube channel, the Chateau, visiting us, and I wanted to make it as tidy and lovely as possible. Hello, Cheryl. And it was nice meeting you, and I think we gave her a good time, isn't it, Brad?
I hope so.
Yeah. And all right, we're gonna let you show the video of what we did of let's take that with us. Let me see you, put you a little bit straight. It's so calming now. We're only cutting the grass half off the thing, isn't it, Brad? So all on the front.
Half of the thing. We do all the way round.
I know, all the way around, but not that. We just leave that.
That's well.
How do you call this? If you leave it?
Oh, it's meadow at the moment,
Yeah.
but it's a bit wild.
It's a bit wild thing.
Deers love it.
Yeah.
They can quite well hide in that.
Yeah, they love it. So, what are you gonna see in this video this week? Well, you're not gonna see the weeding, I think. I didn't film that. I don't think so. Just we cleaned this Pierre Volvic totally off, and these were all green. These were all green. These had a lot of white spots. That was weird, wasn't it, Brad?
There was a lot of lichen.
Yeah. And you got all of them off with a high pressure washer, isn't it?
Yep.
So we did that.
Most of it. You can still see where some of it was, but
Believe it or not, that was nice trimmed 10 days ago.
got a bit wild
I
again.
know. And look at the weeds again, and that's just from 1 week, even done with the synthetic thing, so that never happens again. So down there.
We'll get the tops out and cover it up.
Yeah, if we don't have visitors, we're gonna do that. So you put tarps on things, so it doesn't have sunlight. It doesn't look nice, but that's the most natural way. Well, the most best way is redoing the whole bum, isn't it, Brady?
Nice little grapes on that again.
And yeah, the grapevine is doing lovely. Look at that, isn't it? But I need to cut all these ones down. What we will do, not today. Today is rest day, isn't it? I need to work actually on the video, so you get weekly videos again, hopefully. And that's about it, isn't it, Brad? That we could talk about. Your tree look a bit.
Well, it's recovering from red spider mite.
Okay. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and that's about it. My brain is I would say it's even more foggy than normal, but it's just because it's a relaxing day. All right,
And it's a bit warm.
and it's a bit warm. Tomorrow even warmer. How warm it's gonna get?
Oh, today's 29, tomorrow's 33.
Yeah. And Cheryl and Brad kept telling me that I'm a bit old to get my voice broken. Yeah. All right. Bye. All the best. We hope you enjoy. I did the same. Scrub it up.